Welcome to Nick's Adventrex. In this video, I'm testing out some new camping gear. I bought this cool little folding stove on Amazon, so I thought I'd give it a spin. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this little stove with my own hard-earned $20. I figure a fun little test and a way to bring the camping experience to our home would be to whip up a quick teriyaki marinade for some beef strips that we had on hand. There's really not much to this. I just added some sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and pepper to some soy sauce to make the marinade. I'm just dropping in some chunks of beef to sit in the marinade for a few minutes, not too long. I don't want the soy sauce to oversaturate the beef. Once the beef is coated and has sat for about 10 or so minutes, I'm going to assemble them onto skewers. Just so that we're not complete carnivores, I'm chopping up some green onions into about 2-inch long pieces to accompany the meat on the skewers. Time to load up our meat sticks, alternating between the beef chunks and the scallions. About 90% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. You'll be helping me out immensely to grow this channel for future adventures in cooking and beyond. Now we're ready to make the magic happen. Time to put that folding stove to the test. So I got this little gadget off of Amazon for $20. It comes in this nice little canvas zipper bag. Altogether, there are 3 separate pieces to the stove. There's the main stove portion, which is 4-sided and hinged together, so it doesn't come apart. Inside of this, there's also a hinged grate that flips down, which the fuel or wood sits upon, as well as a hinged door to slide more wood into the stove. This separate metal tray slides into a slot underneath the bottom grate to catch the ashes, and the second separate grate is to put on top of the stove where your food rests. Altogether, this little stove weighs about 2 pounds. Stick some wood in. Wood in or the lid first? Alright, let's give it a shot and light her up. A paper. Alright, good. Well, I can smell the wood already. It smells good. This didn't take long at all to really get the fire going. Ooh, look at it go. Nice. Okay. The plane is crushing my outdoor stove groove. At the time of making this video, there are open wood fire bans in effect near where we live and most of the campgrounds, if not all, along the Eastern Sierra. Thus, the reason I'm trying this stove out at home. I think we need to wait till it gets down to being, not quite as of an angry fire. It's got to get down to coals before we start grilling our beef, which is over here.
Bigger pieces in so you get holes.
All right, hit it. You know you can just do this, right? Oh, well, nope, you can't. Okay, it's a good thing you brought those out here. Well, I guess I'll just stick that into the fire. Okay, mental note, when skewering over a stove like this, metal skewers, that are metal skewers. Although metal skewers would probably burn your fingers. It's gonna be done pretty quick.
We probably should have waited for the wood to get down to coals before we started to cook the skewers, but, well, we were hungry. Coals might have also been kinder to the wooden skewers. Yep, I like my new folding camp stove. Obviously, I'll need to try this out in the wild to really appreciate it. And, of course, see how it holds up over time.
Yeah. Pushing the coals in. I would say it was a success. I like my little folding camp stove.
Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future camping stove adventures. See you next week.